Today is a Christmas sweater kind of day. I am using the Christmas sweater stencil as well as a pillow cover from IKEA and Fusion Mineral Paints Coal Black. So let's load up a stencil brush. I like to pour the paint on a little piece of wood, load the paint on the brush, and then brush most of it off to create a dry to the touch stencil brush. Then I know I'm ready to stencil. Inside the pillow cover, I've placed a small plastic bag to make sure the paint doesn't bleed to the other side. So let's begin to stencil. I'm going to hold my fingers close to where I'm stenciling in case these little pieces flick up as you work. And I'm going to try a couple of different styles. That's tapping, or you can also try spinning to see which effect is what you prefer. I think a combination of both. Another technique I like to do is hold the brush in place and do a little spin. It kind of embeds the paint without moving it around too much. So let's see how we made out here. That's adorable. So Christmas sweater is a repeating pattern, and you'll want to make sure that you stencil in those little registration marks along the bottom if you're going to continue the pattern. All you do is align the treetops to those registration marks to keep going. To extend the sides, hold the stencil where you originally started, slide it to the right, align stencil with stencil pattern, and you're ready to continue on. And in white on black, it's as cute as can be.